for the threat.
Believe me,
You're filming us while we're walking. We're thinking maybe you'll just wait until we got there.
We're here because we have filed a civil rights lawsuit against the commissioner of the CHP and against the Doe CHP officer who so brutally beat Miss Pinnock on January 1st. It contains 4 causes of action. Force occurs when the officer uses that force that exceeds
arrest. You can't pound a person into submission and expect to get away with it. And our view is here, you're not going to get away with it. And so that's important. And then secondly, the state causes of action, which we have called the Baines Act and the Ralph Act. Each of those represents state constitutional violations where an officer is using force, either through intimidation, because of the race in one of those, that those are violations under the state civil act. And so
last year to detain them, blows 1 through 15.
It is extraordinarily important that everyone, including Ms. Pinnock, and particularly a woman in this situation, because I've never seen a woman get beat this way in all the cases that I've had, including obviously the Rodney King case was special, but I've had other cases where notorious activities by the police officers, but never have I seen it against a woman, and never have I seen it done in such a vicious, and almost as if there was no knowledge that they were being watched. It was like, we get to do this, I get to do this, nobody's watching, and as a consequence, the statements that were written later are not supportive of what's seen on the video.
You? CBS News? Okay. All right. So we're here, but the thing is that she got hit 15 times, sir. It's just not right. And whether she is trying to comply with an order and the freeway noise precluded her from hearing things, or whether the officer frightened her into running into a direction, that's something that is secondary to the fact of blows 1 through 15, and that's really where we want the focal point at. We really want to keep that focal, because the CHP will come out later with their version, and they have already, but we want to center on the officer's actions.